Do you want to know the secret to passing OET Listening B? Then watch this video to find out more. Hi, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET premium preparation providers, which means you are in the right place for your OET. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Let's begin. There are 3 parts to the listening paper, and today we're going to focus on Listening B, where you hear 6 different dialogues or monologues with 3 option multiple choice questions to complete. In Listening B, each audio lasts about 1 minute, and before you listen, there is 15 seconds reading time. Each audio can be a monologue or a dialogue around any of the 12 professions. The context of the consultation will always be provided and read out on the audio. For example, question 25, you hear a patient talking to a dental receptionist. You then have about 15 seconds to read after the context has been read, and the audios are approximately 1 minute long. Each extract will be unrelated and on a different topic and setting. There will be different types of questions to answer, for example, gist, detail, and course of action. You will need to listen and choose the answer which best fits. So what can you do to be successful in Listening B? Let's take a look at the strategies to use. Use the 15 seconds pre-listening time effectively. Read the context, understand the question, and underline keywords in the questions and options. It's also vital that you listen to all of the audio before choosing an option. So let's put it into practice. We can see here from the context that we will hear a patient talking to a dental receptionist, and the focus of what we listen for should be about how the patient feels. If we look at the keywords in the answer options, we know we have to listen for if the patient is worried that he may have damaged a filling, disappointed he can't be seen immediately, and nervous about being treated by a different dentist. Do you want to try? Listen to the audio and listen out for links to the question and the 3 options. Choose option A, B, or C.
Hi, I'd like an urgent appointment, please.
Let's see, who's your usual dentist?
Mr. Garcia?
You say it's urgent. Are you in pain?
Yeah, it's the tooth Mr. Garcia filled last week.
Well, he's away today, I'm afraid, but there's a free slot this afternoon with his colleague, Mrs. Brown.
Well, that'd be okay, but are you saying Mr. Garcia could fit me in tomorrow?
That's right, we'd get you in first thing. Can you wait?
Well, I'm not chewing on that side and I'm taking paracetamol, which is helping. The pain started when I was eating a steak, so I'm frightened I might have upset Mr. Garcia's work. It makes sense for him to check it out.
OK, we'll book you in for tomorrow morning at 10.
Okay, and the correct answer is A. We can see that the patient says the pain started when I was eating a steak and I'm frightened I may have upset Mr. Garcia's work. The answer is paraphrased, but we know how the patient is feeling and why. We can see that option B is incorrect because no disappointment is expressed about being seen tomorrow. And option C is incorrect because when suggested that he see Mr. Garcia's colleague, he says that would be okay. So he isn't feeling nervous. Have another try. Let's look at another example together. So read the context and understand the questions. Underline keywords and then listen to all of the audio before choosing an option. Okay, so read the context, understand the question, underline keywords, and remember you need to listen to all of the audio before choosing an option. Are you ready? Let's listen.
In your opinion about extending visiting hours, and doubtless you've got your own ideas about the possible impact on your work. You're probably aware of the evidence pointing to the positive effects on patient recovery rates of increased contact with loved ones. This isn't in question, but of course things must be managed properly. I've heard concerns about how busy everyone is, that you've got enough on your plates without having to worry about extra demands from visitors. Well, we've carefully planned things to prevent you being overrun with queries, interruptions and so on. Visitors will be given a list of do's and don'ts outlining what's expected of them. Meanwhile, managers will be monitoring things carefully to make sure routines aren't disrupted at all.
So which answer did you choose? A, B or C? The correct answer is B. The speaker acknowledges that she has heard the raised concerns and then goes on to explain what's been put into place so their workloads won't be added to. It's not option A, as she is not detailing the benefits. She says, "You're probably aware," and does not go into further benefits. Option C is also incorrect because she's not explaining steps they should take to avoid problems, but she talks about what's already been put in place to avoid problems, not that extra options are needed to be taken by them. So how can you prepare for Listening B? Let's take a look at some things you can do in your self-study time. Practice speed reading so you can use the 15 seconds pre-listening time effectively. When preparing, practice listening for gist and detail. Listen for the main idea and make notes on the details. Use transcripts to improve your vocabulary, for example, common verbs from Listening B, or practice identifying signposting links to the questions or options. And you can use a range of training videos online to help you practice. Let's recap my top tips for Listening B. Use the 15 seconds pre-listening time to understand the questions and answer options. Always keep the question in mind while listening, as it's not enough for an option to be mentioned. It must answer the question. Be careful of distractors. All the keywords must fit. And listen to the whole audio before choosing your answer to succeed in the OET exam. I'd like to know what resources you've been using to practice your OET listening. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends and colleagues so we can help more people achieve success in the OET exam. Don't forget to check out our website, the link's below, to see how we can help you with your preparation. See you next time. Bye. So let's recap my top tips for Listening B. Use the 15 seconds pre-listening time effectively to understand the question and answer options. Okay. Let's recap my top tips for Listening B. Use the 15 seconds effectively to... It's very sunny now.